జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. హో రావణ, సీతాం కమలపత్రాక్షీం, the one who has divine beautiful lotus like eyes, Sitama. Ramasya mahishim priyam, the one who is the most beloved spouse of Sri Ramachandra Swami, Sitama. Until I am alive here, nahime jivamanasya. You cannot naishyasi subham imam. You cannot take Sitama from here at all. O Ravana, even if it is about to leave, give up my own life, I would not hesitate to do that, but I would not let you take Sitama away from here. O Ravana, avasyantu maya karyam priyam. Definitely I am going to do some help to Ramachandra Swami and Rama's father Dasharatha Maharaj. This is how I am going to pay my gratitude and I am going to offer my service to both of them. Tishta Tishta Dasagriva. Stop there, Ravana. Until I have my life in my body, I will definitely continue fighting with you and definitely try in all aspects and respects to stop taking Sitama from here. When Jatayu said like that, Ravana got so much angry. With that Vimsati Drishtayaha, his 20 eyes gone so red just like fire. With that, immediately Ravana jumped upon Jatayu. Both of them started fighting each other in such big forest, dense forest. When both of them are fighting, it is looking like as and how when both clouds, huge, big, dense clouds, if they touch each other, if they rub each other, how that looks. So also now the fight between Jatayu and Ravanasura is looking like that. Ravanasura shooting so many arrows upon Jatayu. Jatayu very patiently enduring all of that pain just for Sitama, and Jatayu peeling out Ravanasura and making so many wounds on Ravanasura's body with his big sharp nails. Then Ravana got so much angry again and he shooted 10 arrows at a time. Those arrows were peeling out Jatayu. Even with that huge pain also Jatayu still enduring, because he is now looking at Sitama. Sitama is in that chariot. Sitama's eyes are completely filled up with tears. Sitama is in such a very pitiful situation. When Jatayu has seen Sitama like that, Jatayu decided how much ever pain I would definitely endure and I would definitely put all my effort to stop Ravana. And again he is making his effort to stop Ravana and he is jumping onto Ravana. Jatayu broke the bow of Ravanasura. And then immediately Ravanasura has taken another big Dhanus bow and started shooting hundreds, thousands of arrows upon Jatayu. Those arrows surrounded Jatayu. Then Jatayu with his wings, he broke all those arrows. Again he broke the another bow, Dhanusu of Ravanasura. Jatayu broke the shield of Ravanasura. Jatayu killed the donkeys of Ravanasura's chariot. Jatayu broke the chariot. Jatayu broke the umbrellas. Jatayu killed the Sarathi, driver of Ravanasura's chariot. Then there is no bow to Ravana. Then there is no chariot to Ravana. Then there are no donkeys to Ravana. Then there is no driver to Ravana. At that time, Ravanasura immediately picked up Sitamma again with his hands. Ankena adaya Vaidehim papata bhuviravanaha. He jumped upon the floor from that chariot while holding Sitamma in his hands. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.